What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You see, I am back home. I just got back a few days ago from the Columbus Slammedenuff meet. It was pretty fun. It was my first experience, and I never experienced a car meet like that. Hey, cause I like everything slam. You see, look, my car, pretty much slam. If I could go lower, I would. Like, look, can't even stick a finger in that boy. The front's a little more, you know, because it gets the lip, but this ain't what we talking about. I did record a lot, but I was going to record a montage, but I see everyone else on them car meets record montages, so I was like, nah, I'm good. I was just gonna make it raw, show you the footage, me talking, us chilling, and just let you guys see what I see. And next year I actually want to get more footage and have more fun and have my car in the show, maybe, if it's done by then, because this car needs a good paint job. I kind of want to get the wheels redone. I don't know, I kind of want a triple chrome, or I don't know. I got some ideas for this car still. It just never stops, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. Peace out. No lie, I ain't gonna lie. For a van, this stuff go crazy. Look at the wheel type. That's crazy. I need to show this to Gene. Hey. Hey, look how close. This boy beautiful. This is an S15. Super beautiful sight. Is that a Supra?
Oh! Is that a Supra? Dude, is it a Supra?
Real. They need to get up on my list.
Okay.
I gotta get a picture of that.
I don't even like
It's like a
that.
drift one. They made it. This
Yeah.
boy beautiful.
It's real nice.
It's super nice.
It's a 2017.
Super funny. Yeah, I like that. I think this is a RS3, if I'm right. I could be wrong. Oh, this bitch, beautiful. God.
Yeah, I hear that every time I see one.
They got a Pokemon shifter. I took a picture to show the boys. Yeah, in here.
That's pretty funny.
Moving as fast as I can.
The interior's pretty clean, this little boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Look.
For being an Impala, this thing look good. A little rust, it's okay though. We don't have that. Yeah. Oh look. Entrance kind of fire.
Let's see this.
You ugly?
I'm sexy.
Oh shit, that dude. Take it. Watch out for that dude right there.
Oh, my bad.
You were saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yo, we out here. Big vibing. Got the girl taking the picture. Show you some of those later. Oh, there's the GTR we seen yesterday. I need to use the bathroom too, I ain't gonna lie.
I like that.
That t-shirt back there was like gorgeous.
That thing
nigga that passed yesterday on that street. Hey.
There's cars everywhere you look. Oh god. The steering wheel's pretty nice in this one. Skyline GTR. Oh shit. Y'all look at all the rest of the cars. This is actual GTR. This is really beautiful. Right hand drive on this one too. Great.
Fire.
All this shit is fire.
Yeah. But you should have brought the mirror. It's a bucket though. The JD misfoot, you got me. Nice in this one. That's a Audi or Audi, whatever you want to call it. I call them both. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. He got BBS's on this boy. Yeah, damn. I like this one. Yeah. Look, got the little turbo exit. Ooh, this is beautiful. They got the same steering wheel as mine. This boy is literally on the ground. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I never seen that sparkle in the carbon. What? Sparkle in the carbon's kind of crazy. Look at that turbo on the back. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that turbo? Yeah.
Realize, like, yeah, this one. Hey, this white body is different. It tucks in perfect. Look at this tucking. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Look at the seats. They're big. That's gas. Look at this. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's pretty funny. It's a Legos.
This is super.
Oh, look at the guy. The guy's like cooking.
Yeah.
That's pretty funny. I ain't gonna lie. So far, it's worth coming to this event.
It's got a chandelier in the back.
Yeah, look at
Fire.
Oh, that's fine. They went all out on this wood. The wheels. I need wheels like this for the Mara. Like black inside, but the chrome lip on the outside.
Oh, that black ain't even like black. It's like,
Yeah. Like a matte. I should put my car in the show, bro. I should put my car in the show.
Let me
I
see
got
this real
that.
quick.
I'm recording right now.
I know. Here you go.
For it being, ooh, look at this neon. Well, the wheels kind of go crazy.
It's time to apply some pressure to them suck ass motherfuckers, man. Check. Hey, I ain't never gon' back down. Been gone for a minute, but I'm back now. Think I fell off, then I gotta laugh out. Let them cash in, I stay with dope lines, I'm a trap house.